24 hours.
Eh bakit 10 hours lang ang Washington? Pag pumunta sila ng Washington, sabi nila, you lang Washington DC. So what's that? Washington DC, ate, Washington DC is a district. It's on its own, sabi ni Freddy. It's the District of Columbia. Sabi niya, what's that?
So you think? Baho? Baho? Okay, then. May ilaw eh.
Abot ng camera.
Ano kamay yun?
Pilitin mo ako. Kaya mo yan.
Babangon yan.
Hindi nyo abot.
O, yan na, o. Wow. Ay, hindi mo kaya.
Okay, alisin natin yung seatbelt mo.
Alam mo kung dapat mong gawin para lumaki ka kagad.
Hindi ikaw lalaki. Iba pang lalaki.
Tangkal.
Tanggalin mo na yan, Chong, na gawa ko ito.